Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel Online Khan Market. Friends, in this video I'll be discussing with you about our rank 4 UPSC topper Yash Jaluka. Friends, Yash Jaluka is a resident of Jharia, Jharkhand, bagged an All India rank 4 in the UPSC examination 2020. To your surprise, the IAS topper cracked the examination in his very first attempt. Let's discuss some of the details about Yash Jaluka. Friends, Yash Jaluka was born in 1995 in Jharia, Jharkhand. Yash Jaluka at the age of 26 years cracked the civil services examination in the first attempt. He had started his preparation for the IAS exam right after completing the post-graduation and relied entirely upon the self-study. Friends, now let's talk about educational qualification and family background. He completed his initial schooling until class 8 from Jharia and then shifted to Odisha. There he studied until the completion of class 12th. Yash did his 11th and 12th from Delhi Public School, Bakora, Jharkhand. He then moved to Delhi and completed his bachelor's in economics from Kirori Mal College, University of Delhi, and then master's degree from the Delhi Schools of Economics, which is a prestigious institution. Friends, now let's talk about the important aspect of this video, which is the UPSC preparation strategy of Yash Jaluka. The preparation strategy followed by Yash allowed him to indulge in a minimum of 8 hours of preparation every day. Yes friends, 8 hours of preparation every day. As a part of his strategy, he spent approximately 3-4 hours reading the newspaper diligently and ensuring that every single part of daily news was covered and notes based on the same were made instantly. Apart from this, he also maintained proper notes on each topic along with his historical background and referred to one of the books for each subject. Alright, now let's talk about the other details like how he got through the interviews. Friends, it's extremely important that if you want to clear the IPS IAS examination, after you write the written examination, you also practice for interviews well. And hence, here comes the importance of Plutus IAS. Friends, Plutus IAS gives you the best mock interview preparation and the strategy, and hence you should definitely try that. Let's talk about Plutus IAS first.
Let me tell you first that what Plutus IAS coaching provide their students. 1. Online classes with highly experienced faculty, weekly quiz, test series, study material, video lectures, daily newspaper, daily current affairs, strategy planning, and finally monthly magazine for current affairs. Friends, apart from this, there is specific features of digital coaching which is an important aspect in current scenario includes 1. Highly interactive teachers and sessions, meaning that you can interact with your teachers in a much better way in this coaching institute. Alright, let's move on to the second benefit of this institution when it comes to digital classes. Second, we can talk about instant doubt clearance, as in when students ask doubt, their doubt is cleared, and then they also provide you chat facility available. Classes can also be recorded and can be used for revision. Visual interaction with faculty can also be done easily, and each student can hear voice of other student on portal as well. Alright, the mail ID includes info@plutusias.com and contact number is 8448440231.
So friends, this was the full details regarding our UPSC 4th topper Yash Jaluka. I hope you have got full details about their background and also the preparation strategy, and I hope you will definitely try Plutus IAS also. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.